Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa and I make a ton of different type of lifestyle videos, so if it's your first time here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat throughout the day. Obviously, this is going to be a little bit different for everybody, but I'm going to be showing you what I do throughout the day that works for me. The first thing I do is set up a glass of water. So I actually don't drink any coffee at all. I don't like the taste, I don't like the smell, and I also really don't like the way it makes me feel. So I don't drink coffee at all, and I just start off the day with water. The other thing is I do not like eating super early in the morning. I'm not one of those people that can wake up at like 6-7 a.m. and eat a full breakfast. I just am not hungry that early. So it's actually Saturday today, it's the weekend, so that makes it a little bit easier to just eat whenever I want because I don't have classes and stuff. So right now it is already 10:30 in the morning and this is the first time I'm eating for the day. Normally it's usually later than that because I'd still be in class, but since I'm hungry, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat. And for breakfast today, I'm going to be having a smoothie bowl. Okay, so here's everything I'm going to be using for my smoothie bowl. So I use frozen fruit mostly just because it lasts longer, so it's a lot more convenient since I don't have to go shopping as often. So I'm using mangoes, pineapple, strawberries, and then raspberries. The blender I use is the NutriBullet, which I'll link down below. And then for toppings, I'm going to use a banana, blueberries, and some peanut butter. Alright, so here's how my smoothie bowl turned out, and I will check in with you guys for either a snack or lunch in a bit. Alright, so I just got a few hours of work done, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and have lunch. I'm gonna make it super simple. I'm just gonna do a turkey and avocado sandwich with some veggies on the side. While I was catching up on schoolwork, I did have a little snack, and I just had these little veggie straws in between breakfast and lunch. All right, so here's everything I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna have some whole wheat toast, half of an avocado. I only eat half a day, and then I store the other half in this container, so that's why it has a little bit of brown on it, but that's fine. And then I also hard-boiled a bunch of eggs for like the week, so I need to finish these off. Turkey. And then I went ahead and washed some tomatoes and a cucumber. All right, and here's my little lunch. Like I said, I just have some veggies, eggs, and a turkey avocado sandwich. Okay, so once again, it has been a few hours and now I'm gonna be making dinner. Today I'm gonna be making a stir fry. So it's gonna be a lot of vegetables, and then I'm gonna be using shrimp as my protein today. So I just have a bag of this Oriental stir fry. These are just all the veggies I'm gonna be adding. Then I have whatever shrimp I have left over here, salt, pepper, and olive oil to heat up my pans here. hopping on for one last time. I am gonna have one little snack before I get ready for bed, and that is just a vanilla plain Greek yogurt, and I might add some fruit to it, but I just wanted something sweet. But that is all I have for you guys today. That is everything I ate throughout the day today. Like I said, of course it varies day to day, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe got some meal ideas and grocery prep ideas for the week, or at least found it entertaining. I know I personally really like watching these types of videos. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!